Preparation is no longer optional. Subscribe. Stay informed. Stay ahead. This is Digital Foresight. Every revolution changed how we work. This one changes how we think. You are not watching predictions. You are watching preparation. This is not noise. This is awareness. Welcome to Digital Foresight. We are living through a turning point. Factories are run by robots. Warehouses are increasingly automated. Self-driving taxis operate in multiple cities. Autonomous trucks are already moving freight on certain highways. This is not speculation. This is not science fiction. This is economics in motion. So let's stop asking the wrong question. The question is not whether AI is replacing jobs. It already is. The real question is this: which jobs survive when intelligence becomes automated? Because this time, it's different. In the past, machines replaced muscle. Now machines are replacing cognition. They analyze data. They recognize patterns. They make decisions. They drive vehicles. They answer customer calls. They write reports. And they do it faster, cheaper, without fatigue. Companies are not emotional. They don't adopt AI because they hate workers. They adopt AI because it reduces cost, increases output, and scales infinitely. A machine doesn't need health insurance. It doesn't take vacation. It doesn't call in sick. It doesn't get tired. It works 24 hours a day. That is why adoption is accelerating. AI replaces repetition first. Assembly line work, predictable warehouse labor, basic data entry, standardized customer support, routine accounting tasks, certain long highway routes in trucking. If your job can be reduced to a set of repeatable instructions, it is vulnerable. That is not fear. That is pattern recognition. But here's the deeper layer. Automation thrives in structured environments. Factories are structured. Warehouses are structured. Highways, to a degree, are structured. The real world outside of those systems is messy. And messy environments are harder to automate. Emergency repairs, complex construction sites, leadership under pressure, high-trust negotiations, crisis management, creative direction, ownership. These roles require judgment, accountability, context, and human trust. The real danger is not that humans disappear. The real danger is the speed of transition. Technology is moving faster than retraining systems, faster than education reform, faster than policy. That creates pressure, skill mismatches, income inequality, and uncertainty. The economy will not simply vanish, but it will restructure. And restructuring is uncomfortable. Intelligence is becoming automated. That is not hype. It is reality. The future will not reward repetition. It will reward adaptability. It will reward problem solving. It will reward ownership. So the question is not, will AI change work? The question is, where do you position yourself in a world where intelligence is no longer rare? Which jobs survive when intelligence becomes automated? And more importantly, are you preparing for that future or resisting it? If you want to stay ahead of these shifts, subscribe and stay informed. This is Digital Foresight.